When don't you demand a tight grip on your workpiece or material? Often, safety is compromised when using clamps. Don't settle for anything other than the Excision FX Xtreme clamp. This European-designed and manufactured clamp is designed for superior performance and conditions of the industrial workplace. The enclosed sealed trapezoidal thread ensures the mechanism is protected and remains lubricated for the life of the clamp. Compare this with standard clamps that have an open thread, allowing the thread to become damaged with welding slag and other workplace contamination. The internal ball bearing mechanism minimises friction, making the winding action even and consistent, even under enormous tension. The new ergonomic handle means maximum pressure can be applied with minimum effort. Designed for comfort and grip, hands and wrists are relieved of strain. Twice the clamping force of conventional clamps with less physical effort. The new all-in-one earth clamp eliminates the need for a second separate earth contact. It combines efficient clamping and safer, more reliable earth contact for your welding. With Excision clamps, you have more grip when you need it, better safety in the workplace, and longer-lasting clamps. Easy to use. Clamp easier for longer.